In this video, I'm going to show you how to change network fee on Trust Wallet. And I'm going to demonstrate this with a transfer I'm going to make from Trust Wallet to another wallet. So for this, I'm going to select the crypto that I want to transfer. So let's say that's Doji. And from here, I'm going to click on send. And right now I'm going to paste in the wallet address where I'm going to send my Doji to. So let's click on paste and let's click on max and then click on next. And in this screen, you will see the network fee in here, and that is around 1 cent in euros. And if you want to change this fee, then you need to click on the settings icon at the top right. And in here, you can see network fee sats/byte. And right now it is set to 50,253. And this means that a lot of bytes are being sent in this transfer. And this means that the fee is also higher, because the higher the fee, the faster the transfer will be processed. So let's say that we're going to downgrade this to 5,000. And you can see in here that the field value must be greater than or equal to 5,000. So when I take 5,000 and click on save, I will see that I will pay no fee. And this also means that my transfer will be slower because it is transferring less bytes per second. So again, the higher the fee, the faster the transfer will be processed and the more bytes will be transferred per second. So this is something that you need to consider. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.